As we now have a truly connected world where computing can literally happen anywhere, where individuals have access to extraordinary technologies and dictating how they want to be able to use their technologies, it creates an entirely different landscape where technology, enterprise technology, needs to take a leadership role because it in a way has been subject to these buffeting forces in where technology is coming from. Organizations need to become more agile, adaptable, to be able to change what they are, and this changes the nature of the organization itself. This is far more a cultural shift than it is in terms of technology or structure and so on. I do believe that this idea of governance for transformation is fundamental. We do need governance to be able to put some structures around some of the risks as well as being able to understand the benefits emerging, but governance must be an enabler of transformation. So when we're looking at innovation efforts, be they explicit strategy innovation or product innovation, or whether it is simply creating an organization that can respond better to the environment, I believe that governance from the board of directors down through the organization is a fundamental enabler of being able to drive effective innovation. Vast computing power is going into the hands of individuals in terms of processing power, in terms of connectivity. The mobility is fundamentally changing this dynamic between enterprise technologies, providers of technology, and the consumers of technologies who often already have better technology in their own hands beforehand. And it applies differently across every industry, but the rise of the amount of data available and what can be done with that, the whole idea of big data, which is now becoming staggeringly enormous data, changes the whole nature of what the organization it is, how it makes decisions. What is more important today than ever before is not just technology as an enabler, but how technology relates to the humanity of the organization, to the culture of the organization. I think social media is just one aspect of that, but at a deeper level, technology is becoming enmeshed in the humanity of the organization, which is never the case before. One of the aspects of the CIO is they are moving from managing infrastructure to hopefully managing the strategy, technology being at the heart of the strategy inside the organization. It is a shift in role to be truly on the C-suite of the organization. We're seeing this diverging paths where in some organizations technology is becoming marginalized. It is viewed as a commodity thing which needs to be done and done well and done cheaply. And there are other organizations where it's seen that technology is truly at the heart of strategy, the heart of what the organization is becoming. And the role of the CIO is to demonstrate the importance of technology being at the heart of the organizations. And those CIOs that are not doing that effectively are really abrogating their responsibility to that organization to be able to create a successful future.